Well, I was. Good thing I was.
I just record the 2 minutes of where we're at.
Did you record when I was in the little pet section?
Yeah. I deleted that video.
We're getting to Microsoft Plenty because we're gonna get a map pack for World Call of Duty. And we're scared. We're so excited though. Dude, I'm so scared right now.
I think it's an entertainment.
I don't know. I think it probably is.
Movies, music, books, and magazines.